Okay, guys, so I'm just going to show you here on the charts, um, why I get in, where I get in, and what I'm looking for. So a lot of futures trading is done using technical analysis. Before the market opens, a lot of these contracts are traded just on, technicals, emotions. They're not following any market really at this point. Starting at 7 a.m., you start to see a little more correlation between this and the overall market as more platforms are open. But when I'm trading the futures early in the morning, it is technical trades for me. Where I see price possibly going to, trying to put those orders out in advance and seeing if they get taken. That's how you get really good entries, and then just scalping it. Now, today we made $45. Is that going to change my life? No, but we did go 2 for 2. So this is a very nice accuracy run that I'm on at the moment, seeing the market really clearly. And I just want to go over these trades with you because this one in particular. So this last trade I took, I shorted right here at the top. Now you can see there's a trend line here, okay? We're making lower highs. But what we're not doing is making lower lows. So we kind of have a base here that has formed. Now, until 6:30 in the morning, we were making lower lows. But right here, we started to base out, and the market's kind of holding up around this, 144.63 ish level. So I want to really get into why I took this short here instead of thinking that maybe we should go long and retest the highs here. You can see here down at the bottom, 4473 is where we hit the high yesterday during yesterday's trading session. So coming in today, seeing us already resisting that area, that gives me a lot of confidence when we can't do it here and then can't do it here, that there's just not that buying pressure yet, because it is early. You need a lot of strength to be breaking through these really key levels like that. So my thesis coming in was I'm going to be shorting this top resistance area. Just for the pre-market. That doesn't mean that what happens now is going to translate into the regular session. So back to this. At 7:30, why did I put my order out here? Other than the trend line here, I'm watching very closely the other indexes that affect the SPY, and that is the NASDAQ. I look at that on NQs. That's the futures. Right here, when we popped out of this base, just like we were doing over on the S&P 500, I said, okay, if we're breaking out on this nice big candle, where is going to be possible resistance? So I see here we have a high here, we have a lower high here. Let's draw this out and find out where that level is going to be. So it was right around the 14,410 area. This is where I waited for that position on the S&P 500 to get short, because I said, you know what? We've resisted this once, twice already. This could be a low risk entry. So instead of entering here and then having way more room up and being underwater on your trade, I wanted to put my order out on this right here. And I basically got the top fill, which was a very, very nice fill. And, just scalped it on the way down. Could have juiced a little bit more out of it, but then it comes back up. Still under where I entered, and now we're back even lower. So, just these are the things that I'm looking at. There's multiple things that you should be watching when you're trading. These are very heavily correlated with each other. So, knowing what one market is doing, and you can see here on the NASDAQ, it's been selling off so far in the pre-market. So there's a little weakness there as the Treasury bond yields have absolutely been ripping up. It hasn't really affected, well, a little bit. It started to jar the tech market yesterday. I still think that this could be further weakness. So anyway, that's why I got in to these trades right here. So 2 contracts short, covered it, took the quick profit, but now we're at 44.64. So left a little bit more on the table. This is the case with scalp trading. But the good thing about scalp trading is you can take these profits and, be green for the day and shut it down. You can always trade other things that you could make way more money on than these moves. This market in general, I've been trying to manage my risk especially well. That's why I'm trading some of these, like the Micro E-mini. I'm also trading Apple. We have an open position on there that's looking very, very good. I had taken a really nice win yesterday on Apple. Sold, I'll just show you guys here actually. So Apple yesterday, we're going to have to look at the 1 minute. I'm just going to clear this up for you guys, because this entry yesterday was actually really, really good. So I do want to show. When we went into the day, I had 3 contracts to unload. I unloaded them right up here. And then as the market came down, right here is where I bought more Apple contracts. So now, instead of unloading here, I kept holding them and seeing where, we can possibly go from there. I think there might be a little bit more room to these contracts. We'll see. We'll see if I made a mistake by not taking them off here. But at this point, I was swing trading them and I was at the gym. So, when I'm working out, I'm really trying not to be looking at the market, even though it's on every monitor in front of all the treadmills, and it's almost impossible not to know what's going on. So that's it. Things are looking good on this. We'll see how we open on Apple. I might be looking to take profits right off the bat today, if things look good. And yeah, that's it. We'll see how we finish up for the day, but it's going to be a green day either way. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this trade breakdown, why I take trades and, reasons behind them. I hope that by using real trades, that this helps you guys out. That's the point of this entire channel, is to help new traders, traders that have been trading for a while. And that's it. So if you like what you see, hit the thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe, and leave some comments down in the comments section. I'll see you guys back tomorrow with another one. Take care, guys.